So yes, I know I've been gone for a minute, but your girl has been hustling and bustling and getting these coins. Okay. So during my time away, it's been open enrollment. So for those of you who do not know, one of my streams of income is insurance. So right now we had a special open enrollment period for health insurance. So I have been out here grinding, hustling and bustling and running up this check. And open enrollment officially closes this Sunday, and Lord knows I cannot wait. I am tired. Okay. But during the process, I have also um I would say I guess expanded, elaborated on, added some stuff to my notary stream of income. So now I am a loan signing agent. Um, and so with that, you make more money than you do doing general notary work. So I will be talking to y'all about that too. But like today made me want to say a few choice words um with one of my signings. But I'm going to be giving y'all all of the tea here and there about my loan signing stuff as well. So I just came on here to let y'all know what I have been up to. So I've done a couple of signings already since I got into it. I'm gonna do a video on about what it takes to become a loan signing agent and my thoughts about it. So I'm located in what they would call an attorney state because I'm located in Georgia. I'm in the ATL in one of the suburbs of Atlanta. And I'll go more in detail about that in another video. So far, I would say most of all of my signings have gone very well. Today, I was annoyed because they gave me a signing like I think less than an hour before the signing time. Luckily, all of the docs were already uploaded, so all I had to do was print them, tab them, and get ready to go or whatever. Now I was still running around in my robe, so no, I was not ready to go. So I had to jump in the shower, do my, and get ready to go. So I'm calling the signer, called like 6 times. It's going straight to voicemail. So at this point, I had not confirmed the signing, but it's like less than an hour. And the signing was 30 minutes from my house, even though we in the same city, traffic and whatnot. Um, so I'm like, okay, I'm gonna just make sure I'm ready to run up out of here because it needs to get done. I gotta get my baby from school. So I sent a text message and then the agent calls me back and was like, oh yeah, that signer, she postponed the signing and she's gonna schedule something for next week. And I'm like, okay, nobody told me not nothing. I'm just out here in the wilderness. Everybody know but me. So anyway, so they canceled the signing. I'm like, okay, but do your girl get a print fee or something? And these folks told me no. And I was mad. But I ain't telling them I was mad. But it's okay. It's okay. Because it was like 10 pages or whatever. But because she said that she's gonna reschedule for next week, I'm just gonna sit it to the side in case they give me the signing. And then after next week, if I haven't heard anything else about that, then I'm just gonna shred it. And it is what it is. But no biggie. I'm not gonna sweat these people those little coins because I got too much going on as it is. And yeah, it would have been good, but I'm not tripping because it was 10 pages. Now, had this been like a refi and it was 150 pages, because you have to print 2 sets of documents. So now, had this been something like that and I done printed 2 sets, oh, I would have been big mad. And somebody would have had to run me some type of coins. Okay. But that's it. I just wanted to come on here and give y'all a quick little update on my life, what I got going on. Stay tuned for future videos because now that open enrollment is about to be over, hopefully I will have more time to start back uploading on the regular. And keep y'all in the loop because through my trying to educate myself on the loan signing, I noticed here on YouTube, they don't have very many people that speak specifically about Georgia. So let me hop on the train, boo, and give y'all this knowledge. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.